Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing about the topic verbs, the action words that drive language. Verbs are the building block of a sentence. Without verbs, a sentence is incomplete. So what actually are verbs? Let's see. Verbs are words that express action like walk, eat, sit, and state or occurrence. Here state refers to possession, identity, or any feeling. For example, I am a teacher. In this sentence, am is showing the identity. I have a car. In this sentence, have shows possession. So let's know more about action verbs. When we talk about action verbs, it is not only limited to physical actions like run, jump, walk, but also mental actions and creative actions like think, believe, remember, and creative actions like writing, drawing, composing. So when we talk about action verbs, it consists of physical actions, mental actions, as well as creative actions. Linking verbs. In linking verbs, there is no action involved. So why do we use them? We use them as connectors, which connects the subject to its description. The subject, which is mainly a noun, that is, person, place, or thing we are talking about. Then the linking verbs, which has be verbs like is, am, are, was, were, and words like seem, become, appear, which is followed by its description, that is an adjective or a noun that describes that subject. Here in the example, the sky is blue. The main subject is the sky, which is followed by the connector and then its description, which is blue. Similarly, the flowers are beautiful. The linking verb is are. The word beautiful is describing flowers. My sister seems happy. The word happy is giving additional information about the main subject, sister. And one thing is important here, that in all these sentences, there is no action involved. Now let's move on to helping verbs. Helping verbs combine with the main verb to form verb phrases like I have completed my work. In this sentence, the verb phrase is have completed, which is formed by helping verb have and main verb completed. Helping verbs are of two types, primary and secondary. Primary helping verbs have be verbs like is, am, are, was, were, which are used with progressive tenses. For example, I am writing a letter. Then have verbs, has, have, had. They are used with perfect tenses like she has gone to the party. And do verbs, do, does, did. They are used with negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Secondary helping verbs are modal verbs. They are used to show possibility, necessity, obligation, permission. can, could, they are used to show ability or for permission. May, might for possibility. Must for necessity. Should for suggestion. Will is used for future tenses, and would for hypothetical situations. Verb tenses. Verb tenses show when an action took place. Now they are divided into three parts: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past tense is used for actions that completed in the past, that is before now. Walked, ate, studied, gone. Present tense. It is used for actions that are happening now or regularly, like walking, walk, eat, eating. Future tense. Future tense is used for actions that will happen later, like will walk, will eat, will be going. Now each of these three tenses are further divided into four parts, which are: first, simple; second, progressive; third, perfect; and fourth, perfect progressive. Regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs follows a predictable pattern. They are formed by adding ed to the base, like walk, walked, play, played. On the other hand, irregular verbs do not have a predictable pattern, so you must have to memorize them, like go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten. Subject-verb agreement. There is a basic rule of subject-verb agreement that if the subject is singular, it will take singular verb, and if it is plural, it will take plural verb. Here in the example, the cat sleeps peacefully. The subject is the cat, which is singular, so it will take singular verb sleeps. And if the subject is plural, the cats, then it will take plural verb sleep. Here, note one thing, that verb with s is singular and without it is plural. Subjects which are compound, collective, or indefinite pronouns have different rules. Here in the example, the bouquet of roses is beautiful. The word bouquet is a collective noun which always takes singular verb. The color of the walls is dark green. In this sentence, the main subject is the color, which is followed by of, a preposition, then the walls, which is object of that preposition. So the verb will be used according to the main subject, which is color. In the next sentence, Ram and Ravi are friends. Words Ram and Ravi are connected by and whenever two subjects are connected by and, they will take plural verb. So here are is used. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs require a direct object to complete its meaning, and intransitive verbs do not require a direct object to complete its meaning. In the first example, he reads a book. If a book is not present there, then the sentence does not have any meaning. He reads what? So an object is required. She eats an apple. She eats what? An apple. An object is required here also. So both these verbs are transitive. But in case of intransitive verbs, she jumped. It has a complete meaning. It does not require an object. After jump, into the lake is written, which is a preposition and the object of that preposition. It is not the object. In the next example, he sleeps on the couch. If we say he sleeps, then it has a meaning. And on the sofa is the preposition and its object. So both these words have their meaning of their own. Therefore, they are intransitive. So today we learned about verbs and their different forms. Now I want you to answer these practice questions in the comment section. If you have any query, confusion or suggestion, please do write. And if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.